The man who stands accused of the murder and rape of 8-year-old Tazne Van Wyk appeared briefly in the High Court in Cape Town this morning. The matter will resume on Wednesday following a postponement. The little girl from Elsies River went missing from near her parents' home 2 years ago. Her body was found dumped in a stormwater drain in the Boland days later. Van Wyk's murder sparked widespread outrage. The alleged killer is a parolee with a long list of previous convictions. SABC News reporter Mariska Botha was in court.
We're coming to you from the Western Cape High Court in Cape Town, where the matter of Moedin Pangaker, who stands accused of the murder of 8-year-old Tazne Van Wyk 2 years ago, has just been postponed to later this week. But let's dive into it with the National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson in the Western Cape, Eric Ntabazalila. Eric, thank you very much for joining us this morning. I know it's a lengthy charge sheet. Can you just take us through what some of the charges are that Pangaker faces?
Yes, he is facing about 27 charges. It was 20, but we amended the charge sheet, the indictment, and we added more charges. They include the kidnapping and murder of Tazne Van Wyk, who was 8 years old, as well as 11 counts of rape, sexual assault, common assault, desecrating a corpse, and yeah. It's a lengthy charge sheet, but the case had to be postponed today because the new lawyer who came on board now from legal aid, he still needs to consult with the accused. So they'll do that today and possibly tomorrow, and then we'll start with the trial on Wednesday. Unfortunately, members of the public, including the media, will be allowed first 2-3 days in the court, and then everything else will be on camera because of the sensitivities of the case going forward.
What would it be in camera? Can you divulge at this stage why it will be in camera?
You'll remember there are also some rape cases which may likely to involve minors, so that's why it's going to be in camera.
And just for the public, just explain to us again, what does in camera mean?
In camera means that the victim, the complainant, will testify and give evidence, and then but will not be exposed in terms of members of the public because he or she is a minor. Yeah.
Thank you very much. That was Eric Ntabazalila from the National Prosecuting Authority in the Western Cape explaining to us that the matter has been postponed to Wednesday. And as you heard, they said large portions of this matter will be heard in camera, meaning that the alleged victims will testify, and a number of them, as you heard from him as well, are minors, so their identities have to be protected in a matter such as this. But for now, the matter has been postponed until Wednesday for Pangaker to consult with his new legal representative. And with that, it's back to you in the studio.